Namaskara, Yashaswi Vaani YouTube channel. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Vaani YouTube channel, and this is a grammar section. In today's grammar section, we are doing a little bit different than Sandhi practices. Okay, so in this Sandhi practices, we are focusing on the very important thing, the prepositions, which is ge, ke, ge, inda, ge or ke, and inda, and alli. Okay, na? So if I want to say I am going to the house, going to the school, going to the he is going to the park. So to idre mostly it will be like manege, shalege. So do not forget to add ge, which is very very important. And if the sound is ends with the e or a, then you will add ge. If it is a mara, you can't say marage, it will be marake, gidake, pustakake. Okay, so pustakake, gidake neeru haku, put water for the plant. Marakke neeru haku. Okay, na? So that K is very important, which actually means to. Next is from the house. I am coming from the house. He is coming from Delhi. So then you will say Maneyinda. This we have understood. Why do I writing Inda? Okay. Next, Maradinda, from the tree. Hasuvininda, from the cow. You get the milk. Okay. Hallininda, from the teeth. Okay. There is a blood from the teeth. Hallininda. Then we have a alli, which means in. So I am in the house. I'm at the house. Then maneyalli iddini. Avanu ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇದೆ? What is there in the head? Okay. ಡಬ್ಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇದೆ? What is in the dabba? These things are very very important, which means to, from, in, or at. So practice ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ, and do let me know in the comment section if you find any difficulties or if you have any questions. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next video. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.